Do not buy investment properties. You're locking yourself into a 25, 30-year mortgage. And if you are, you're gonna have to work at your job. You're gonna have to get some serviceability from somewhere else to pay down that mortgage. Property development, you actually speed that up. You can do it in a couple of years or even less than that. You make a huge amount of money and you don't lock yourself in for a 25 or 30-year mortgage. The first property I bought, I completed in just over a couple of years, made a couple $100,000. That well and truly replaced my income and then some, like 5-fold at the time. So locking yourself into a 25, 30-year mortgage is bad. Don't do it. Stop buying property. Do property development. It's actually really easy once you know how, and there's so many people making huge amounts of money from property development. So jump on the bandwagon. I go through an education program where I teach you exactly how to do this and how I've done it. Now I'm doing over a couple of $100 million of my own property development deals after starting off small and building up over the last 12 years.